you struggling to get your website to rank higher on Google? What if I told you there's a simple way to increase your website traffic, rank your keywords, and get the attention of your business deserves? Hey, this is Kherk Roldan, and I'm personally inviting you to schedule a free SEO strategy sessions with me. During this strategy session, I'm going to dissect your website, find out what's holding you back from ranking higher, and develop a custom strategy to increase your website traffic and keywords ranking. We'll take a close look at your competitors, keywords ranking, on-page assessment, technical SEO, link building, GMB, and so much more. You know, many businesses struggling with visibility. But here's the thing, there's a strategy that nobody talks about, and I'm going to discuss it during the SEO strategy session. This is the same strategy I use to help hundreds of websites and GMBs to rank higher at the top of Google. So, if you want to outrank your competitors, be number one on Google for your search terms, improve your site traffic, and make money from your website, click the link below to schedule your free SEO strategy sessions with me. See you there.